How are you? I hope you all are best and as well as fine. Yes, please give your attendance as possible as will be. I am started our class. Fast, complete your attendance. Yeah, yesterday we already completed. There is somewhat what is the definition of motion and as well as. Good morning to everyone. I'm fine. What about you? I hope you all are best and fine. And please complete your all the chartings in the form of attendance, whatever there. Yeah, yesterday we already completed what is the motion and as well as what is the rest. Okay, now and as well as what is the relativity. Anyone already have given the definition of time? Can you reply me? What is the definition of time? Anyone? A definition of motion, definition of rest, definition of relativity. Definition of relativity, definition of rest, definition of motion. Already we completed. We take so many examples yesterday and somewhat great examples we have considered. As when the car is traveled in front of a house, how, which one is the rest and which one is the motion, and how we say it is in a motion, how we say it is in a rest. Yeah, already I have given the definition of time also now. As rest means we will have a break, not like that, Nana. Don't write the type of a definitions. Rest means the body not changes its position with respect to the another body with the time. Motion is nothing but the body changes its position with respect to the another body with the time. It is called motion. The time nothing but duration between two events. Important definition, time one. That is duration between two events are called time. Okay, that is only. Now we have to go with our next concept. Yes, yeah. It is every time one body is moving. Every time there is you have the same type of emotion. Every time there is the same type of a motion is possible. Suppose there is one running race is going. Yes, in our school we are conducted one running race to you. At the time of August 15th, at the time of January 26th, otherwise at the time of one sports meet. At that time, there is every time there is you are moving with the same speed? No. If in case one of your friend is crosses you, at that time you increases your speed. Clear or not? If you are every time the same speed you are maintained, you will not get prize. Clear or not, all the students? Like that only. Yes, the buses, once you check it out, the buses, every time they maintain a same speed, there is a somewhat curved path is there, somewhat what slow path is there, somewhat there is a what down path is there. Yes, every time we are moving the same speed. No. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Yes. Once again I repeat it here. There is all the bodies are every time the movement the same nature. Every time they are under the motion same. No. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Every time they change its movement. Yes. Sometimes they maintain the same movement. Once check it out when you are traveling in the car. Otherwise, when you are traveling on the bike, there is a somewhat a digital meter. Once you observe the digital meter, otherwise there is a RO meter is there now. Yes, there is a what in the digital meters. There is it will be changes. Sometimes it's a maintained constant. Sometimes maintained it is a changes. Yes, I thought there is a app is working only. Yesterday somewhat problem is there. Students, yesterday somewhat problem is there, but it is already found out, and as well as it is already renewed. Okay, once go with that. Okay, if again any problem is there, please report to your principal. Don't write anything like that things here. Okay, now. Yes, there is a what we have to go here, Nana. There is a what about there is a what movement or same or not every time. Yes, it is may not may. Okay, now sometimes may it is movement like that only. Sometimes may it is not like that. Okay, already I have given example, running race or bicycle race, every time you are same speed you are maintained? No. Okay, depending on the situation. If you want to cross the another person in the running race, you want to increase your speed. Initially you are start your speed slowly. Then after you increase your speed. Okay, clear or not, all the students? That is only when we are maintain a same type of a movement, same type of a motion, that is called uniform motion. Okay, now what is the same type actually? Same type of motion is nothing but what actually? Yeah, there is a what? One car is there here. Okay, clear or not, all of you? One car is there here. This car is moving like this here. It is the first second. It is the second. It is the third second. It is the fourth second. Here car started here. The car traveled somewhat from 0th second to first second. It is started just there is about only 2 meter distance. And then after in a second also it again traveled the 2 meter distance only. Then after again it is a travel in the second to the third second again 2 meters only. Then after it is a travel third second to the fourth second again 2 meters only. Okay, now in this way car travel equal distance in equal time intervals. It is a called uniform motion. This is only another word, same type of a movement or same type of a motion. Here the same or not? Every time there it is a travel what, for every second it is a travel 2 meters only. Here also 2 meters only. What is the duration is there? 1 second. In the duration how much it is a travel? There is a 2 meters. Every time it is a continuous up to its traveling path. That type of motion is called what? Uniform motion. Otherwise, the same car you consider here. Non-uniform motion. Okay, clear or not all of you? Non-uniform motion. Here, the same car you consider here. Clear? There is a what? When it is under the motion in a first second, and after the second, and after the third second, and after the fourth second, once you consider here. Yes, the car started traveling here, and it is a reaches first second to the second. There is only just 3 meters it travel, and the next it is only 1 meter it is travel. Then it is may travel 4 meters. Then it is traveled only 2 meters. Okay, now it is once compare these two things. Once compare this car and this car. Okay, the car A here are taken, car B is taken here. The car A when you take here in a 1 second to the second, how much duration is there? Only 1 second is there. But is the travel how much distance here? 3 meters distance is the travel. Second, once you consider this car, from second to the third second, how much distance it is a travel? It is a travel 1 meter distance only. Then here we consider the second, third second to the fourth second, how much distance is travel? 4 meter distance is a travel. Clear or not all of you students? That is a what? It is a travel first second to the second. Yes, 3 meters is a travel. And second to the third second, it is travel 1 meter distance only. Third second to the fourth second, it is travel 4 meter distance. Okay, now not same now. The duration is a 1 second only, but here it is a travel for 1 second only, different distances. The first second it is a travel 3 meters. Second 1 meter. Third second 4 meter. The same thing. Come to here B side. Here in a first second it is a travel as 2 meter distance only. In a second, first second to the second, it is travel 2 meters only. Second to the third second, it is a travel 2 meters only. Third second to the fourth second, it is again travel 2 meters only. What you conclude from these all the observations? When you consider the car A, it is not travel equal distance in equal time interval. When you consider the car B, it is travel equal distance in equal time interval. This type of motion is called uniform motion. This type of motion is called non-uniform motion. I hope you all are understood. Yes, when one body is a travel equal distances in equal time interval, that is called uniform motion. When one body is not travel equal distance in equal time interval, it travel in case equal time interval unequal distances, that is called non-uniform motion. Okay, clear or not all of you? I hope you know very well. Yes, what is that story? Tortoise and as well as rabbit. Okay, tortoise and rabbit story. That's your childhood, may you know or not? Yeah, there is a what? They are meet together. They want to perform their running race. Okay, yes. For this purpose, rabbit is already you know very well. It's have capacity to run fast than the tortoise. Yeah. Yes, in the tortoise is what you know very well. The tortoise is step by step. Like you when there is a what exam is there in the school. Okay, now when the games are there in the school, you are like a rabbit. When there is exam is there, at that time you are like a tortoise. Correct or not? Yeah, you are good. Not like that. Every time you are like a rabbit only, na? Yeah, there is a what? A rabbit is a traveling. A rabbit is a started its running race. The both are started at the same time. Rabbit is a traveling and rabbit is a moving and it stops somewhere. Why? Because the tortoise not appear to it, it is far away from it. Okay, now why I am suffering? Yes, the tortoise take a more time, the rabbit think like that. That's why I want to take a rest. It's want to sleep. It's sleeping. There is a what? Why? There is a tortoise is moving like that only one by one step. It's a why because the tortoise not have the capacity to change its speed. It's a heavy body is there and as well as there is a small so fruits are there. It's a step by step like that only. Yeah, in that one, what we conclude here now? How it is a link to our topic? Yeah, there is a what? Tata is like a car A. Okay, now how our whatever our car B is there now, it is like Tata is car A is like rabbit. Yes, clear or not all of you? Yes. Rabbit is first moving very fast, then after it stops. Okay, clear on that all of you? Means what? In equal time interval it is not traveled equal distances. Okay, here I have taken there is a what? It is a rabbit and it is a tortoise. Okay, clear on that all of you? Rabbit is total, that is a what actually somewhat 2 kilometers. The running race for the what? 2K running race. Rabbit started. Yes, it is a what? It will be taken in 5 minutes and after the 10 minutes and after somewhat 15 minutes and after somewhat 20 minutes. Imagine that. Okay, now, and the same time here we consider. Here, rabbit is the crosses within the 5 minutes only. It is a crosses somewhat what actually? Yes. Rabbit is reaches up to within the 5 minutes only. There is a 5 minutes and after there is a what? Yes, 10 minutes and after there is a 20 minutes and after 15 minutes and after 20 minutes. There is a total path is how much? 2 kilometers. Now the rabbit in the 5 minutes only, it's a completed 1 kilometer distance. Then it is a what? It's a sleep here at 1 kilometer. A rabbit in the first 5 minutes is a complete somewhat half kilometer, 0.5 kilometer and 1 kilometer and 1.5 kilometer and after 20 minutes it's a complete 2 kilometers. But a rabbit is a what? In a 5 minutes only it's a traveled 1 kilometer, then it stops speed. Then it is a try to again starts its running. Okay, now it's a reaches. There is a more again 1.6 kilometers, more 0.6 kilometer covered in 5 minutes, and as well as remaining it is a complete not completed within a 20 minutes. I hope you are understood. The rabbit is a what? Not travel equal distances in equal time interval, but our Tata is a what? Every 5 minutes it's a crosses half kilometer. But the rabbit in the first 5 minutes only it's a completed 1 kilometer. Then next it's a sleep down. Yes, which one is moving in uniform motion? Which one is in non-uniform motion? Tell me. Yeah, there is our Tata is in a which one in a uniform motion. Yes, why? Because we call that is uniform motion. It's a crosses, it's a travel equal distances in equal time interval. Okay, now for every 5 minutes our Tata reaches half kilometer distance. Okay, clear or not all of you? That's why only it is moving in a which one? Uniform motion. When you take a rabbit, it is a what? In the first 5 minutes it's already crosses 1 kilometer. But the next 5 minutes it's a sleep down. There is no traveling. The next it's started in the next 5 minutes as it's a crosses may 0.6 only. Okay, clear? In that way, there is a when one body is a travel equal distances in equal time interval, that is called uniform motion. When one body is travel, not travel equal distances. Okay, now in equal time interval, that is called non-uniform motion. I hope you understood. There is a what? When the body is movemented in equal distances, equal time intervals. Time intervals are nothing but one time to the another time. Okay, now that is only called uniform and agala the non-uniform motion. Yes, and once we go through the textbook, what the tabular formats are there and how we analyze our tabular formats to uniform and agala the non-uniform motion. I hope you all are understood or not, all the students, what is the uniform, what is the non-uniform. Yes, there is a word you please note down if possible. Yes, what is the uniform, what is the non-uniform motion? Yeah, please note down uniform motion. Anyone? Uniform motion. One body travel equal distances in equal time interval. Equal distances in equal time interval. Equal time interval. It is called uniform motion. Uniform motion. Yes, next to come to non-uniform motion. One body travel unequal distance in equal time intervals. It is called non-uniform motion. It is called non-uniform motion. Yeah, this is only about what actually uniform and non-uniform motion. Yes, wait for 1 minute. Dear students, anyone required replay, once go back and once again listen that. Once you write it, it is in a classwork, whatever the definition. Yeah, Mr. Rajita, yes, what you not understood, please mention there. Yes, if you listen from the first onwards, may it is understood. Otherwise, may not understood. Once go with the replay. Yes. This time completed. What is the uniform and what is the non-uniform motion? Uniform motion is nothing but one body travel equal distances in equal time intervals. In case it is a travel unequal distance in equal time interval, it is called non-uniform motion. Now we have to go with our textbook. There is a given through textbook. Once we have to go page number 30. Page number 30. Yeah, there is a given a body is said to be in a motion. Okay, now as its position keeps on changing with the time with respect to observer. But in our daily life, we experience certain motion in which the change is in position of object remains the same for the time interval. In some other motions, the change in motion positions of an object will not be the same for given time interval. Imagine the movement of our hands in a wall clock and the movement of a butterfly in a garden. In these two cases, hands of wall clock and hands the butterfly are in a motion. They change their position with the time. Okay, and here time in seconds they are given. In case there is a time in seconds are given in a particular Taylor format. Yes, there is a what? Time, and as well as what is there to be considered? Distance traveled. Distance traveled. Yeah, distance traveled we are considering. What is the time here? There is a we have here. There is a time is first given as yes 0 seconds. Okay, now 0, 10, 20, and as well as the 30, and as well as the 40. Here it is a 0, and here it is a 150, and it is a 300, and as well as the 450, and as well as the 600 meters they are considered. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Here, given in this particular one, yes, suppose one car is a travel, there is already we are discussing now. 10 in a 10 seconds it's a completed, it's a traveling path 150 meters. In a 20 seconds it's a traveling 300 meters. In a 30 seconds 450. In a 40 600 meters. Before going to that, one more example is also given here. There is a when we take a watch wall clock, and the wall clock there is a hands are there. Okay, now there is a very well maybe 3 hands or 2 hands are contained in our wall clock watch. There is a what in that one? There is a hours hand, minutes hand, and second hands. Once you observe that hours hands and second hands and as well as minute hands, in equal time interval it is a travel equal distances or not? Yeah, per second, for first second to the suppose this is the clock you consider. Sorry. As I am consider clock like this, there is a what it will be contain hours and as well as it is a minutes seconds. Okay, now you know that it is a 12 and as well as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, and as well as there is a what these are the hours. And there is a what we have, these are the minutes we have. Okay, here there is a minutes. Okay, like that it will be there or not. And when you take there is a hands of our clock, suppose there is a minute, it will be 1 minute to the another minute. How much distance? There is a this is the distance. And as the same, there is a whatever the distances are there equal or not? Yeah, once you take it in our wall clock, there is all the distances are same only. Yes, when there is a what 1 minute is completed, our minute hand travel the same distance or not? There is a what suppose this is a what a 4th minute and this is a 5th minute and as well as there is a what it is a 10th minute, it is a 11th minute. Yes, it is a 4th minute, it is a 5th minute. It is a 10th minute and it has the 11th minute. Whatever the distance traveled by our minute hand, okay now, for the crossing 4th minute to 5th minute, the same distance, it is a covered from 10 to 11 or not? Yeah, that's why only, it is a called what? Uniform motion. It is a uniform motion. Okay, and suppose there is a what they consider, the next one is butterfly. Okay, there is a different flowers are there. Okay, clear or not all of you? There is a different flowers are there. Yeah, there is a one butterfly is there now. There is a what? One butterfly is there. There is a first the butterfly reaches this first flower. Then next it is reaches to the what? It will be taken this type of a path. Okay, now then it is reaches this type of a path. Okay, now the butterfly want to reach on this particular whatever the flower is there. It will be traveled only this distance. In the same time, it is again traveled this much of distance. Again in the same time, it is traveled this much of distance. What you conclude from this one? There is a what? Our butterfly is a travel. Okay, for the capturing the honey purpose, it will be what? It will be moved from one place to another place. Within the same time, it is a what? It will be changes its okay, now clear or not all of you? Time duration and as well as there is a what for the same time it is a travel different distances. But when we are taking a wall clock hands, it will be travel equal distances in equal time interval. That is only called uniform motion. Whatever this butterfly is a travel, it is a called a non-uniform motion. Why it is a called a non-uniform motion? The butterfly is not travel equal distances. It is in unequal distances in equal time interval. And as when you consider our watch hands, they travel equal distances in equal time interval only. Suppose that you take our hand, then the what in case it is reaches to the 4, it is traveled this much of distance in 1 hour. Yes, from 3 to 4. In case it is taken from 4 to 5 again 1 hour, it is traveled the same distance only. Clear or not all the students? Like that, there is a what we conclude here now. This is a called uniform motion. It is a called non-uniform motion. This is only about our uniform and as well as the non-uniform motion. Once check it out, there is on the table about one car traveling is given. There is a what one car is traveling in this particular path. There is a what it is a time you take 10 minutes and as well as 20 minutes and as well as 30 minutes and as well as 40 minutes. Clear? From this table, this car is started here. The car is started here. The car is started here. From the zero, okay, it is a zero distance only. Afterwards, it's a crosses. How much distance? 150 meters only. Yes, it is it reaches. Then next it is a 300 meters. Then next it is a reaches 450 meters. Then next it is reaches 600 meters. Once check it out. What is the difference is there in a time? 10 minutes. It is a 10 minutes. There is a what? Next what here? There it is a one more. The difference is there between here. One more 10 minutes here. Clear? And here 20 to 30. Again there is a difference is 10 minutes. Again 30 to 40. Again 10 minutes only. Okay. Difference between the one time interval to the other time interval. 10 minutes only. What is the distance in the travel? 150. There is a what is the yes, difference is there between 300 to 150. Again it is a travel 150 meters. Again it is a travel 150 meters only. For reaching from this 20 minutes to 30 minutes. The next 30 minutes to the yes 40 minutes. The time duration is 10 minutes only. But there is a distance is how much? 150 meters only. Okay, now every time our car is crosses how much distance? The difference to here 150. 450 minus 300 150. 600 minus 450 150. 40 minus 30 10. 30 minus 20 10. 20 minus 10 10 only. Here there is a duration is the same and as well as the traveling distance is also same. This type of motions are called uniform motion. Okay, clear or not all of you? In case one more table is also given here. What is that table? Another table is also given here. That is what? Time. And as well as the distance travel. Here another table. The table car A and as well as the car B here. Okay, now this is the time. This is the distance. Okay, clear? Yes, there is a what we have considered 0, 10, 20, 30 and after that the 40. These are the time in minutes. And after that this is the car travel 0 minutes and after that there is a what duration is a 10 minutes duration is there. In the 10 minutes the car B travel 50 meters and after that there is a 90, 180 and after that the 230 meters. Once you observe, there is everywhere for every 10 minutes the car A travel what actually 150 meters. Hence, in there is a car B every 10 minutes there is equal time, equal distance in travel. There is the time is same, the time difference is same. 0 to 10, 10 only, 10 to 20, 10 minutes only, 20 to 30, 10 minutes only, and 30 to 40 also 10 minutes only. But in this 10 minutes, it is traveled first 50 meters distance. Then next it is only 40 meters distance only. Then it is a travel 90 to 180, 90 meter distance. Then it is a travel just there is a 50 meters distance only. Clear or not all of you? Once you take the diagram like this here. Okay, now the car is started here. The car is started here. Clear or not? And here there is a what? It is 0th second. And next it is a what? As 10th second. Next it is a what? In a 20th second. 20th minute, sorry. And next what? It is a 30. Yes. Next what? It is a 40. Once check it out. 0 to the 10, it is a travel only 50 meters. And the next it is about 10 to 20, it is a travel only 40 meters. 20 to 30, it travel 90 meters. 30 to 40, it is about 50 meters. Okay, now the time is same, but there is a whatever the traveling distances once you check it here. It is a varied or not? Yes, like this it is a varied, it is a called non-uniform motion. In case it is not varied, it is a called what? Uniform motion. Not varied means equal distances in equal time interval. Unequal distances in equal time interval. Okay, this is only we have to go conclusion of our uniform motion and as well as non-uniform motion. Okay, now yes, that is examples are given in our examples in our textbook they are given. Yes, any doubts are there? Once you go through the page number 30, in that one there is this all the information are given. Yes, there is the body covers equal distances. There is already examples are already given. Okay, now let us do 4. Once go with the let us do 4. And there is identify uniform motion and as well as the non-uniform motion. Yes, if you identify it is as a uniform, you take it as a U. In case it is taken as a non-uniform, it is taken as NU. Movement of the hands of a clap. There is a what? It is a travel equal distances in equal time interval. That's why it is taken as U. A boy cycling in a crowded places. Okay, now compulsory required when the crowd place it is there. It is a non-uniform motion. Okay, and as well as that's why you take it is the second one is NU. Okay, and as well as there is a what? Movement of house fly. Maybe it is non-uniform only. Yes, and the fan in a air cooler running at a fixed speed. Yeah, it is a contain uniform motion only. When you maintain a fixed speed, it will be traveled equal distances in equal time interval. Once check it out, our fan also, not only the cooler fan. Once you observe your fan, it's equal time interval, it will crosses that all the wings of our fan. It will be travel equal distances only. That's why it is uniform only. The fourth one is U. A train entering into the railway station. Yeah, when it is entering to the railway station, it is slow down. It is slow down. It is slow down. That's why it is a uniform motion. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, when it enter it is, it will be yes, it's the velocity that decreases gradually now. That's why only it is a non-uniform motion. Kite in the air, due to the air, okay, the kite may be is not going with the uniform motion. Rotation of earth is every day the rotation of earth is moving with the same velocity. It's a travel equal distance in equal time interval. That's why it is a what? Uniform motion only. Why? Which one is a uniform motion? The first one is uniform motion only. Yes, there is a what? Fourth one is uniform motion only. Seventh one is uniform motion. Remaining are not uniform motion. Okay, now why? Because they not travel equal distances in equal time interval. They travel unequal distances in equal time interval. Okay, this is only about yes our concept of uniform and as well as the non-uniform. You complete these all the things you have to write in your classwork. Okay, now yes, write it is in a classwork, not in a homework. You write it in a classwork. You have to write these all, whatever the table 1, whatever the table 2. Not only take the table 1 and table 2. You are take a table 1 and table 2 in another format also. When I am starting the class, I am taking just 1 second duration and 2 meter distance. Nah? Like that only you take any other values, you prepare some tables for uniform motion and as well as the non-uniform motion. Okay, this is only the homework for you. You prepare some tabular formats for the uniform motion and as well as the non-uniform motion by using some values like this, and as well as you write the definitions of uniform motion and non-uniform motion. You complete, let us do 4 also. Okay, thank you, bye, take care, complete your homework and read the lessons for page number 30 and as well as the somewhat part of 31 also. Okay, thank you, bye, take care.